Welcome to my channel. Today we talk the 2025 GMC Acadia concept is here, and it's making a bold statement in the world of midsize SUVs. With a complete redesign, a more commanding presence, and cutting-edge technology, GMC is stepping up its game to offer a premium yet rugged family vehicle that blends luxury with capability. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the new Acadia, from its exterior and interior to its performance, safety features, and technology. So buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about the next-generation Acadia. First things first, the design. The 2025 Acadia concept boasts a bold, boxier stance that brings it in line with GMC's larger SUVs like the Yukon. The front fascia is dominated by a massive C-shaped LED headlight setup, which integrates seamlessly into GMC's signature chrome-accented grille. The sharp body lines and sculpted hood give it an aggressive yet refined look, while the flared wheel arches hint at its off-road potential. Speaking of wheels, it rides on up to 22-inch alloy wheels, adding to its road presence. Around back, the redesigned taillights echo the front lighting design, connected by a sleek LED strip that gives it a futuristic appeal. A more sculpted tailgate and a new bumper design further enhance its muscular yet elegant design language. The dual exhaust tips integrated into the bumper add a sporty touch, signaling that this SUV means business. The overall exterior is a mix of rugged durability and premium aesthetics, making it one of the most stylish entries in the segment. Now, stepping inside, GMC has taken a leap forward in luxury and technology. The cabin of the 2025 Acadia concept is a massive upgrade, featuring high-quality materials, a more driver-focused layout, and an abundance of advanced tech. One of the standout features is the massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, running the latest version of GMC's IntelliLink system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Google built-in for seamless navigation, voice controls, and app integration. Right in front of the driver is a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, which provides customizable displays for navigation, speed, and vehicle diagnostics. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with metal accents, offering a luxurious and sporty feel. Moving down to the center console, you'll notice a clean, clutter-free design with minimal physical buttons, replaced by a combination of touch controls and a rotary gear selector. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching, offering heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. A panoramic sunroof adds an open, airy feel to the cabin, making long road trips more enjoyable. The second row offers captain's chairs or a traditional bench seat, depending on the configuration, while the third row is more spacious than before, accommodating adults. GMC has also packed the Acadia concept with a suite of advanced safety and driver assist features. The latest Super Cruise hands-free driving technology makes an appearance, allowing for semi-autonomous highway driving on pre-mapped roads. The Acadia comes with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a surround view camera system, making it one of the safest SUVs in its class. A new augmented reality heads-up display provides real-time navigation guidance and essential vehicle information, ensuring the driver remains focused on the road. Under the hood, GMC has made some exciting updates. While official powertrain details are yet to be confirmed, the Acadia concept is expected to feature a turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, delivering around 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and efficient power delivery. An optional twin-turbo V6 engine could also be in the works for those who want more power, pushing the output beyond 400 horsepower. The Acadia concept is built on a more rigid and lightweight platform, enhancing both handling and fuel efficiency. GMC has also improved the all-wheel drive system, incorporating advanced terrain modes for off-road enthusiasts. The adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time to road conditions, ensuring a comfortable and stable ride whether you're on the highway or tackling rough terrain. Speaking of off-road capabilities, GMC has hinted at an AT4 variant of the Acadia concept, featuring increased ground clearance, skid plates, off-road tires, and an advanced 4x4 system. This would make the Acadia a strong contender in the rugged SUV category, competing with models like the Jeep Grand Cherokee and Toyota 4Runner. Fuel efficiency numbers are yet to be released, but with the new engine technology and lighter chassis, it's expected to improve over the previous generation. In terms of connectivity and convenience, GMC has integrated over-the-air software updates, ensuring the vehicle stays up to date with the latest features and improvements. The new digital key technology allows drivers to unlock, start, and control various functions using their smartphone, eliminating the need for a physical key fob. The infotainment system also supports Amazon Alexa integration, allowing voice-controlled commands for music, navigation, and smart home connectivity. Cargo space has also been significantly improved, thanks to a longer wheelbase and better interior packaging. The Acadia concept offers more space behind the third row, making it a practical choice for families and adventure seekers. Folding the second and third row seats flat creates a massive cargo area, perfect for carrying large items, luggage, or outdoor gear. GMC has also introduced a hands-free power liftgate with gesture control, making loading and unloading easier when your hands are full. As for pricing, GMC hasn't officially announced the cost of the 2025 Acadia concept, but industry experts predict a starting price of around $40,000, with higher trims like the Denali and at 4 models reaching up to $60,000. Considering the upgrades in design, technology, and performance, the Acadia concept is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-size SUV market. It competes with models like the Ford Explorer, Toyota Highlander, and Honda Pilot. But with GMC's focus on premium materials, advanced tech, and rugged capability, it offers a unique blend of luxury and toughness. The official production version is expected to be unveiled later this year, with sales beginning shortly after. Overall, the 2025 GMC Acadia concept is a game-changer for the brand. With its bold new design, state-of-the-art technology, improved performance, and premium interior, GMC has elevated the Acadia to new heights. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV, a tech-loaded daily driver, or an off-road-ready adventure vehicle, the new Acadia has something for everyone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you consider buying the 2025 GMC Acadia? What's your favorite feature? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews, news, and comparisons from Auto Explorers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.